Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me, Queen Elizabeth, once again come up with another very exciting project. Before going to start the review of my awesome project, I wanna say something that if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing videos, guys. Today I have another very interesting and profitable project, which is Coinpedia. As you can see, they're very interesting project, and this is also a very safe earning point because they have the completely unique smart contract with a complete control developed by a team specialized in the blockchain. This is very interesting, and also I will provide you each and everything about this Coinpedia amazing project, also their tokenomics, their roadmap, their contacts, and e-bulletin. Each and everything I will describe you and I will share with you guys, so don't miss any part of the video. And also I will provide you the website official links in my video description, so don't miss any part of the video. This is a very safe earning point, as you can see, and also it is listed on a very amazing platforms, like they have the Coin Market Cap, they have the Coin Jacko, and many more. They have the contracts, and also they have the Coinpedia audit security assessment. Each and everything is available on this amazing project, and also they have a certificate of compliments, which is very good. And also they are available on the social medias like Twitter, Facebook, Telegram. Each and everything they have their own, and also they have a very interesting and amazing content, guys, so you have to get benefit from it, so don't miss any chance. Guys, we will discuss now the Coinpedia tokenomics. As you can see, they're interesting tokenomics, and which they have 35% liquidity, 35% burn, and also they have the 10% equipments and 10% marketing and 10% rewards, liquidity, burn, equipments, marketing, rewards. Each and everything is available on their tokenomics. And also I have to share with you guys a very interesting information about this amazing project there, that they are announcing a very interesting award winning shell competition. This competition at the end of the this competition will be held between 7th July 2024, and it will be ended on 17th July 2024. At the end of the competition, the best shell award will be distributed to the top 5 guys. They have to be rewarded according to their remarks and according to their participation. Also, they have in first position, they have to win $75, $40, $25, $10. According to the position, they have get rewards by the many amounts and very profitable amounts. So don't miss parts. Good luck for this amazing shell competition. Hope you like and you have fun and you get benefit from it. Now we'll discuss about their tokenomics, in which I already discussed you the liquidity, burn, equipments, marketing, rewards, each and everything I will describe you. Now we are looking at the total supply of this amazing project. As you can see, their total supply is, I want to show you on my screen, as you can see, guys. And also their liquidity, their burn, equipments, marketing, and their reports. And there, as you can see, their marketing 3% tax buy, and also they have one buyback and 1% liquidity. Each and everything is available, and also they are on the network Binance Smart Chain and contract. As you can see their contract, I want to show you guys on my screen. You can easily watch and you can get benefit from it. Also their name, which is Coinpedia, guys, and also their symbol, which is CP, means Coinpedia, and their symbol, which is CP, means Coinpedia, and their decimals, which are 9. As you can see, this is the amazing network which is on the Binance Smart Chain, BC. And also you can see that many others like Coin Market Cap, Coin Jacko, many others, they are available on this amazing platform. And now we discuss about the roadmaps, means their future developments, their future increase in the success, and also their future plannings, each and everything, and their past developments, their past plannings we will discuss in the roadmap, so don't miss, guys. In the First phase they have a getting ideas, building a team, social media, structuring, publishing website, cooperating with a professional audit company. And also in the second phase they have much more, like they have creating a content address with the professional coding, and also they have obtaining contract security audit reports, qualifying for a KYC certificate, and creating token mnemonics, adding liquidity and token locking liquidity. And also they have token promotions and platform collaboration, which are many things they have to do. And in the third phase they have Telegram 10 tickets, shell competition, social media, and also they have the Dex tool and Dexkina logo update, and CGCMC quick listing, CEX exchange market research. And also in the fourth stage they have apply for certificate conducting new coin analysis, and also exposing fake token to their owners and website DAP Polygon. And also they have Coinpedia mobile application setting a new Ramadan, which is very interesting. If you are volunteer, you have to apply very easily. You have to just put your name and surname, and also your date of birth and country and cell number, telegram accounts, and also you have to put your message and then send. This is very easy. And also to they want their suggestion, they want your suggestion, your opinion for their improvements. Like they have Coinpedia wants to improve themselves by your idea and by your planning, so you have to improve they have to improve ourselves by your idea, so you can guide them and you can contact with us, and you can easily request, complain and cooperation. Each and everything you have to be a very big platform for you guys to share your ideas, suggestion, request. Each and everything you have to be done in this amazing platform. So you just simply put your name, your surname, and each and everything, and your message, and you can easily submit. Now we discuss about the most interesting thing of this amazing project. As you can see, this is a solid proof and big trust for your project that they have the certificate of compliance proudly presented to Coinpedia. The team passed by the KYC's verification process, date 12 June 2024, with the following requirements. Guys, they are honored and they are verified on 12 June 2024. You have to be check it out, and you have to be get benefit from it, so you don't regret by getting this idea and by getting this amazing project. And also they have the following requirements, which are they have project ownership verified, and list of all the team members, team identifier is verified in the with the random requirements, and contract is published on the manant. And as also you can check it out on their official website, which is I want to show you that you can easily check it out on their certificate of compliance. You have to be check it out, and also their Binance Smart Chain address you can easily copy, and you can check it out, and you can get benefit from it. Now we will discuss about their social accounts, their social links. Like they have their Twitter accounts, you have to be follow their Twitter account as I follow in front of you. You have to be get benefit from it, and they have a very interesting posts and very interesting comments, replies, and each and everything they have to be updated on their Twitter account. So you by connecting with their Twitter accounts and by following their Twitter accounts, you have to be updated for the further upcoming days of this amazing profile. And also you have to be follow on their Facebook accounts, and you have to be get benefit from it. You have to be check it out all the information regarding to it, and also you can get benefit about knowing their upcoming updates. And also they have the Telegram community. By joining their Telegram community, you surely get benefit from it, and you accurately get benefit from it. So you have to buy their token, and also you have to participate in their competition so that you get rewarded. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you please share your friends and family, so that they also get benefit from it. This is all about my Coinpedia amazing project. Hope you like this